Hello everybody, my name is Pascal Noel and this is a tutorial video for the advanced video clip manager Clipbox. If you don't already own Clipbox, go to nohl.lu and download your copy for free. So here we go! In this tutorial we are talking about some hidden features of Clipbox, mainly the magic of the option key. So let's switch to the Finder. Here I have my Ape movie that already exists in the database, and I try to add it and I get the dialog that it already exists. Now we switch back to the Finder again. And I try to move my movie to the browser by holding down the option key, and I get a different dialog. The file with the same fingerprint already exists in the database, so I can edit anyway or cancel. When I do edit anyway, the record will be imported. So by holding down the option key on the import, I can overwrite the duplicate checking. Okay, let's come to the next magic of the option key. I go to my group gender, who is exclusive, and I drag female on my tagging board here. Now dragging male on it will override it because the group is exclusive. Now I hold the option key and I drag female on it and it is accepted, so I can override the exclusive checking of the group. The downside of this is once I have two tags here that are exclusive of one group, I can drag the next one on it even without holding the option key and it will accept it, because Clipbox now knows the rule is no more valid. When I remove two of these tags and I drag now female on it, it will again be replaced because the rule is valid. Only one tag of this type exists on this movie. Now let's go to the tagging assistant. Start the tagging assistant and select some values. Here for the resolution we have a single selection possibility, so if we select 4K, go back and select Full HD, it will be replaced here. But here we can also use the option key, click on 4K with the option key, and both are added here to the tags. The same logic, once two tags of a single selection are added, we can select anything else and it will be added. When we remove these two here, we add Full HD and we click 4K, it will be replaced again. We are now at the end of this tutorial, and in the next tutorial I will show you some other features of Clipbox.